Hi, I'm Simon Fu from Sophos Support, and today I will be explaining how to backup and restore Sophos database on your Sophos Enterprise Console server. Regular database backup are an essential part of any database maintenance plan. Sophos Endpoint Security and Control come with a couple of batch files which make it simple to take a full backup of the Sophos database and perform a restore. By default, these tools can be located in Program Files, Sophos, Enterprise Console, DB. The file names are backupdb.bat and restoredb.bat. There are three databases for Sophos Enterprise Console 5.5.2, Sophos 552, Sophos Patch 52, and Sophos Security. To check the database name and its path, open Command Prompt with admin privileges. Type the following SQL command. This will extract the output to a file called sophosdb.txt in C drive. Once the command is completed, you can then view the file using Notepad. Once the database names are confirmed, you can then proceed to backing up the Sophos database. To back up, stop the following services on the server that is hosting the Sophos database. Open Command Prompt with admin privileges. Go to C Program Files, Sophos, Enterprise Console, DB, Core. Run the backupdb.bat command from the location. In this example, the command backs up the Sophos 552 database on the local SQL to the file called Sophos 552db.back into the Windows temp folder. Please note, when you are trying to back up the database, make sure you select a path which is accessible by the SQL account. To restore, we can use the restoredb.bat command, which resides in the same directory as the backupdb.bat command. From this command, we are restoring the Sophos 552db.bak backup to the local SQL server to the instance called Sophos. I hope you found this video useful. Let us know by giving us a thumbs up on TechVids, and let us know if we resolved your issue. Check out the documentation for this video in the video description. For further assistance, view and post questions on community.sophos.com and go to TechVids for more great videos like this one. Thank you for watching. Take care.